Yes, so this is a NAT problem. Let's see the discussion for this question. In the question क्या बोला गया? A staff is placed on a benchmark of RL that is given as 100. RL is given as 100 meter, and a theodolite is placed at a horizontal distance of 50 meter. The distance between the staff and the theodolite is given as 50 meter. It is the horizontal distance. From the benchmark to measure the vertical angles, the measured vertical angles from the horizontal at the staff reading of 0.4 meter and 2.4 meter are found to be the same angle. Both the angles are same, angle of elevation and angle of depression. वो दोनों सेम दे रखे गए. Taking the height of the instrument as 1.40 meter, the HI is given as 1.4 meter. The RL in meter of the theodolite station will be. यहाँ पर आपसे पूछा गया जहां पर आपने theodolite प्लेस किया है उस पॉइंट का RL क्या होगा. जहां पर स्टाफ आपने प्लेस किया उस पॉइंट का RL आपको दे रखा गया है. एक आप एलिवेटेड पॉइंट देख रहे हैं, दैट इज द रीडिंग 2.4, और एक रीडिंग आप देख रहे हैं 0.4 ऑन द स्टाफ, और दोनों के केस में ही जो एंगल गिवन है वो सेम है. सो नाउ हाउ वी कैन प्रोसीड द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन. तो लेट्स we can represent all these detail with the help of this diagram. This is the theodolite station. This is the 1.4 HI is given to you. This angle theta and this angle theta for 2.4 meter reading and 0.4 meter reading both are same. RL of the staff station is given as 100 meter. The distance between the instrument and the staff is given as 50 meter. So what we can write? We can write tan theta will be equal to 2.4 minus x by 50, and it also will be equal to x minus 0.4 by 50. From here I can find out the value of x reading. This x reading that we are getting as 1.4 meter. So now we can calculate the HI, height of the instrument. So that will be equal to 100 plus 1.4. So this will be equal to 101.4. This distance we have calculated. Now we can find out the RL of the theodolite station. HI minus theodolite height. The height of the theodolite in the problem that they have provided is 1.4 meter. अभी अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर लिया HI, और HI की वैल्यू हमारी आ रही है 101.4 मीटर. उस HI में से, इस HI में से अगर हम ये हाइट माइनस कर देते तो वी विल गेट द RL ऑफ दिस पॉइंट, एंड दैट इज द theodolite point. And numerically that we are getting this value as 100 meter. So what will be the answer for this question? The answer is going to be 100. In meter they have asked, so simply the answer is going to be 100 for this question.